Hello everyone, this is Ritin welcoming you to my YouTube channel, and in this my tutorial video I'm gonna tell you about the fretboard, about the notes which are there on the fretboard. Everyone asks me how to remember the notes which are present on the fretboard. So this is the video for that guy who want to know. Okay, so let's come into the video. As you all can see, I have drawn the fretboard over here along with the notes. This side I have drawn the 12 musical note cycle. Note will start from C, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and come back to C. This side is the fretboard. The string counting is start from bottom to top, so that E is the first string, B is the second string, G is the third string, D is the fourth string, A is the fifth string, E is the sixth string, low E. Fretboard. Fretboard counting is start from neck to the bridge of the guitar. Okay, this is the first fret, this is the second fret, this is the third fret, this is the fourth fret, this is the fifth fret, this is the sixth fret, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and so on. I'll show you practically on the guitar. Okay, so this is the first string, open sound E. Open means without pressing any fret. When I strike the string, is called open. Okay, open E. Okay, when I press the first fret of the first string, sound change. Okay, this is the F, this sound is F. Okay, open note is E. When I press the first fret of the first string, the sound is F, F note. Okay, similarly when I press the next fret, second fret of the first string, the sound is, the note will be F sharp. Okay, just next to the F note. Okay, when I press the third fret of the first string, the sound will be the, after F sharp what will come? G. Okay, then G sharp, then A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and this one is E. This is the 12th fret, so we got the note again E. Okay, because we have only 12 notes. Okay, I'll give you another example with another string. This one is, this second string is B, open sound B. When I press the first fret of the second string, what will come after B note? C. Okay, so this is C, then C sharp, then D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and so on. Okay, this one, this third string, this third string open is G. Okay, when I press the first fret of the third string, I'll get the note G sharp, because G sharp will come next to the G note. Okay, if I press the second fret of the G string, I'll get the note, this one is G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, and this one is G. Okay, this is fourth string. Fourth string open sounds D. When I press the first fret of the D string, I'll get the note D sharp, then E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, and D. This is the 12th fret. Okay. This is the fifth string. Open sound A. When I press the first fret of the fifth string, I'll get the note F sharp, A sharp, sorry, A sharp. Then B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, then A. Okay. If I move forward and press the fret, then next note will come. This is the rule. Okay. And this one is E string. As you all know, I have discussed in my previous video, first tutorial video. I hope all you understand whatever I want to make you understand through this video. Okay. In my next video, I'm gonna tell you how to play the C major open scale. Okay. Have a great day. Bye bye.